everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chef Connie, with lots of yum for you. And today I was just going to talk a little bit about some of you guys remember that I was weighing 220 pounds and then I lost between 75 and 80 pounds, actually effortlessly. So I've been getting some people emailing me about, hey, how did you lose weight? I'm kind of going to be incorporating into my cooking videos some of my weight loss plans and some of my recipes and stuff, and how I did it. Meanwhile, I do want to bring up, like, I did do meal prep, and that helped me out quite a bit because at that time I was driving for one of these rideshare companies. And I would say the first about 35, 40 days, I dropped 30 something pounds. It fell off of me, and I was 58 years old when that weight just shoo. So now I've gone from, like I said, 220, I weigh between 145 and 150. I do work out, my weight's still staying down, and so I wanted to do a quick little meal prep video. I do intermittent fasting, and I still do follow keto kind of, I follow keto, watching my carbs, and I have some food allergies, so I don't eat a lot of bread and stuff like that, but I'm working out and doing pretty good. And don't ask, because I'm gonna be 61 soon. So anyway, I'm very excited about being 60. I have a lot of energy. I'm a wild child. Anyway, with meal prep, I just want to tell you how easy meal prep is. And it's easier than me opening up this container. Anyway, so I was gonna say, I see people doing meal prep, and some of my friends are asking me. I've gotten a couple of emails from people asking me about meal prep and just some tips and ideas. So I'm gonna give you some quick tips and ideas. I hope they help you. First of all, we all know losing weight is kind of difficult. I didn't want to follow what my son told me. I was on bulletproof coffee, intermittent fasting, and keto at the same time. And I thought, no, I'm 58 years old. I'll never be slim. I'm never gonna lose weight. And I was gonna show you guys a picture. Okay, I'm back. So this is me at 220, probably around 222. And there you have it. And now, some of you guys know how I look now. And so I'm gonna go into quick and easy meal prep right quick, and this is me now. All right, meal prep is very easy. I think sometimes people overthink it. I did not eat the same thing every day. Don't eat the same thing every day. You're gonna get bored, and you're just probably gonna keel over and die. Okay, maybe not die, but seriously, that will ruin everything for you. So I love pork belly. It's a very fatty meat. I make it, I just season it up, bake it in the oven, season it up with a little pink salt, pepper, garlic powder. And I wrap it in foil, put it in the oven, slow roast. But I have pork belly here, which I would eat at least once a month. Steamed broccoli. This is my hot tray. So you put your protein on this side, the smaller side. Of course, you want as many green vegetables that you can get. Sometimes I'll fill this up with steamed veggies, green, and or cauliflower, whatever. And then there it is. This is my hot tray. So this is the tray that my hot foods. Put your hot foods with your hot foods, and then your cold foods with your cold foods. So with my hot foods, which is my steamed veggies and my protein, I would take this meal prep container, and this meal prep container, it has my blackberries and a couple of strawberries. I have 3 strawberries, and then some blackberries on the bottom, and then my salad. And then with the salad, I also had added some, some other stuff to crunch on, carrot sticks and celery sticks that I had, all this together. And this is my cold tray, so I don't have to microwave it. So that's why I said put cold with cold, hot with hot. Some people still don't know it. I've seen people with fruit and meat in the same tray. Don't do that. You can't microwave your fruit. You want to just be able to just throw your hot tray, your microwavable tray, warm up that food, eat it, and then here's your cold tray, which is your salad and your veggies, and eat them. So here's another one, another tray. I have some strawberries only, and then my salad again. And in this tray right here, I just have my baked boneless, skinless chicken thighs, shredded. I cut it up because sometimes when I'm on the road, I don't have time, or when I'm traveling. Now I don't drive for the ride share, but still at home, I don't want to just sit there and cut up my chicken, so I just kind of cut it up after I cook it. After I cook it, cut it up. So when I warm it up, I can just take a fork, eat it, and get out. Okay, so that's my, I'm gonna put in a link for these particular containers, but you can make meal prep easy. If your family's having ribs, you can have a couple of ribs, but then make sure you're having some veggies or a salad. I mean, if you just like, I don't know what to do, I'm gonna get into some recipes on the baked boneless, skinless chicken and the baked foil wrapped ribs. I'm gonna do some recipes on so easy stuff. You can season up ribs. They don't have to be barbecued. They can be, because they do have barbecue. It doesn't have sugar if you're doing keto. But yeah, just easy peasy. And then you get yourself a bag of salad and go to the store. This is like meal prep for lazy people. Grab a doggone bag of salad. Hey, throw in some salad, throw in some vegetables. This is uncooked, raw, nothing to do but just throw it in a container, keep on going. Your meat, that's your protein, that's what you're gonna have to cook, and keep on going. Weight loss is so, I see people make the meals so complicated. They don't have to be. So easy peasy, uncooked. This is like, a lot of the stuff I eat, I'm just the laziest. You guys don't even, I'm a lazy eater. Boom, give me a salad, give me some fruit. Hey, let me just cook my protein, make my protein delicious. Sometimes I chop my chicken up like this. I'll eat it cold, I'll throw it on top of my salad or mix them in together, put on a little bit of my cocoa aminos or a low calorie salad dressing, which is like maybe a yogurt based or whatever. I make my own salad dressing or a little bit of olive oil. I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on the salad. I mean, wow. Or some people like vinaigrette, but we will get into, I will do some more videos and try to give some suggestions on some salad dressings that you can make. Not necessarily keto, just salad dressings in general, because I love Asian food and I like the Asian salad dressings. But I'm just giving you the laziest, healthiest meal prep tips. Go to the store, get you some berries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries. This is the laziest. Look at this, a bag of salad. I got half my meal here. Some salad, some fruit. Oh, uncooked, lazy, easy peasy. Not necessarily lazy, but anybody can do that. You can have the kids wash their hands. Kids, we're gonna do meal prep for a couple of days. Let the kids drop the salad in. Boom, put in some strawberries, tell them how many, and then you guys can separate, have the strawberry or berries and salad. The kids can do that, join you in the kitchen. And then mom, dad, whoever, or single person, whoever you are, we all gotta eat. Boom, you can foil wrap your chicken, you can foil wrap some ribs, throw it all in the oven, foil wrap, season it up first, throw it in the foil, let it cook for an hour or so, whatever, and then you got meals. You got easy peasy meals. Just go in the fridge, grab your meals, and you're done. You're ready. You're ready. So just doing some quick and easy meal prep tips, and these are more for people that want to lose weight. That's what mine are for, because that's how I keep my weight down effortlessly, and it's just doing my quick little meal preps. Some people in their meal prep, I don't eat rice. Some people have rice. Some people have whatever your meal prep thing is. It's so easy. Some people like to do meal prep just because they don't have time. In general, if you're not a person that is on a diet and you can have rice and whatever, just make sure you have your hot foods in a container together, and then make sure you have your cold foods like your salad and fruits in a container together. So that's pretty much it. So easy. Thanks for watching. And like I said, I'm just doing a quick little video on how I keep my weight down and what I do for weight loss. And for those of you that are not on weight loss, I guess you can have rice and add breads and stuff, but for those that you are. So anyway, thanks for watching, and then I'm gonna be bringing out even more videos with some helpful weight loss tips and meal preps. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now.